The Utah State Capitol reopened to the public today, and already we've had 2 lawmakers test positive for COVID-19, and a hearing was shut down because people weren't wearing masks. Fox 13's Ben Winslow broke the story this morning.
This is the first time the Capitol has been open to the public since March, but already there's issues.
We need to take a break on our committee. We have members in the audience that are not complying with the health department rule for masks.
The Social Services Appropriations Subcommittee shut down when 3 people described as anti-mask activists showed up.
They were actually asked by Highway Patrol to put their mask on, and they refused, so we took a recess. They were there specifically. They had handouts ready, and so their whole thing was we're going to make a statement.
House and Senate leadership ordered the meeting to go virtual. Only the committee chairs and staff members were in the room when it resumed.
We have people with disabilities and all kinds of health risk, and so if there's any committee you're going to wear a mask in, it's got to be Social Services.
The incident happened just hours after the Capitol reopened to the public. It's been closed since March because of COVID-19. Masks are mandated and physical distancing enforced where they can.
And they took all the public comment virtually, and so people still had an opportunity to give their public comment.
Lawmakers, staffers, and legislative interns must get rapid COVID tests at least twice a week. The testing has revealed that 2 senators who were negative on Friday were positive on Monday. 3 people on Capitol Hill tested positive last week.
We think the system is working, so when we're monitoring it very closely.
House Republican leaders have now closed their chamber to the public.
We are already at added risk just by being here.
Representative Jennifer Daley-Provo praised her legislative colleagues for shutting down the meeting, but she says lawmakers could stand to be better about health guidelines.
I would really like to see my colleagues do a better job of just keeping their masks on. I don't think that it is a hindrance.
The subcommittee chair says he'll close future meetings if there's ongoing disruptions.
Most of us legislators just absolutely hate the mask mandate, but there's rules to follow and we have to keep people safe.
Now, some legislators here are over the age of 70. That puts them at a higher risk of COVID-19, but also eligible for the vaccine under the state's plan. The Senate president says 17 senators so far have either had COVID or gotten the vaccine. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.